Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit page margin in Google Docs. Firstly, I will show you how to edit a specific pages margin. First, select your pages, drag your mouse and select file option. And here you will find this page setup option. Only I will change this page margin, left margin and choose 2.5 and right margin 2.5 and see this. Left and right margin already says and top margin remains same. Now it says whole document margin, file option and page setup and select here whole document and input here the page margin. I'll add here 2.00 top and bottom and all of this I'll sense. Now select OK and see this whole document page margin now change and top and bottom and right and left already says. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.